to me, the coolest thing about it is it's something totally different. This is a new ball game. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. We're going on a little road trip to Houston, Texas. It's a little chilly.
Yeah, some of us are wearing our tracksuit and didn't know. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a GoFundMe page for old Barry to buy him a jacket.
I do need a jacket.
But in all seriousness, Barry did find a little Volkswagen in need of some loving, and we're going to go rescue it today.
Yes, today the VWLIFE boys are on our way to H-Town.
Watch NASA.
We're going to NASA?
Space City?
Oh, yeah. You know what? I think this has provenance. I heard it's a guy named Neil something. Neil Young, Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong.
He bought it new in 68?
Yeah, he bought it in 68. Right,
he was doing something else.
Right before he went to the moon. We are on our way to H-Town. Stay with us today. This is guaranteed to be a fun trip. So join in and see what happens.
Yeah,
we're dumb. All right, well, we've got D-White, the van, loaded up with an empty trailer. With any luck, we'll be adding a new sticker today, but we've got to hit the road. We've got at least 3 hours ahead of us.
Hey, Tommy, we got you something. Right here. There you go, buddy.
A poncho?
It smells like the garage.
Dude, you know what? Dude, just this right here quickly. It was really nice.
These are fast, right?
They're fast. And they're not fast forward, they're fast back.
I've heard them described as a 4-seater 914. Is that correct?
Actually, everybody says that once you go Type 3, you never go back. Because apparently it's a smooth riding car. They did the suspension is really changed over your regular Type 1s. And so I'm excited to drive one. I think I've only driven a squareback before, not anything else.
All right, we're almost there, right, guys?
Oh, we're getting close.
We're almost there.
We're so excited. Our first Type 3. I remember my first Type 3.
So we haven't closed the deal yet. We put down a deposit, but we're going to see how this pans out, and we'll see if we'll take it home.
Oh, shoot.
There it is.
Good, but that's all it works.
A little positive camera.
Drag car. It's not supposed to be. Tracksuit Tommy. It matches. He matches.
Yeah, blue.
VWLIFE is right here on Type 3s. So it's known as the hidden motor series. Because if you have the carpet over this, which if there's a panel cover, you get pulled over, a cop has to see where your motor is. It's hidden. And all you got right here is just an oil, and it's the only thing that's visible. It's your oil fill. Because, you know, always got to check your oil on these old Volkswagens. So that's kind of cool. Little tidbit I learned yesterday about Type 3s.
Yep, there's no fan shroud, so it's slow.
It's going to be front end work, it's going to need the motor fully mounted, tuned, electrical work, paint fixed. Rust repair is not bad.
Electrical, it looks original. It's all pulled out, but there's not hippie jobs in there, which is nice.
He was just pulling it loose to work on it.
Glass looks in good shape, so there's that. It's original, has secured on it. All in all, I think too much price.
Is any of that hard? Not really, but it's still work. It's still a layer of stuff that we have to do. And then I think the The motor may or may not be new, but it needs to come back out. We can clean up the tins and make them look nice, and then while it's out, I can go back there and reseal it and put it back together. It is a lot more work than I was expecting. Is it cool? Is it something different than we've ever done before? Of course. Would it be killer looking sitting there fully complete? I didn't even know that front fog light headlight beam bar, did you see it over there? Mm-hmm. That thing would look totally legit up there.
Especially that back.
Especially lowered a little bit on some gas burners. I would be pretty excited.
They're just cool cars. You don't see them. You know, I'm just intrigued by I was just back there just, you know, because I'm just how all the motor and how the cooling works on the motor, how different that is, just from that engineering standpoint. So just kind of getting our hands dirty on something new. That part, that raises the level here. We know we can do rush repair. We know we can do electricity. We know we can get the motor running. Messing with the front end's kind of a new ball game for us, but I mean, it's not rocket science.
It's not over there at NASA.
Gary, we got a car. We just bought a first Type 3.
Yeah, it's all ours. So
but we got the 1968 Type 3 Fastback.
It looks fast.
Oh, look at it, man. Just standing still. I can't even see it. It goes so fast.
Do you like Type 3s?
Look,
you better, because you're going to see some content on it soon.
This will be an awesome build thread on Type 3s. So all you Type 3 guys out there, watch this.
Yeah, leave us a comment if you've got a Type 3 and tell us what we need to know, because this is our first time.
It's our first time. Wow, good thinking, AJ.
It runs with no brakes. Don't forget, if you guys want a VWLIFE shirt, link is in the description below. Good. Keep going. You're on wood. Keep going. You're on wood. Keep going. Put it in gear, yes. It's in gear. Cool. Easy. Hey, that's what the heck we do. Oh no!
Lost my pants. These are my good car hearts, man. I just got these for Big Ben. Now they're already got holes in them.
Jake and Tommy did a wonderful job getting this strapped down, and we're gonna have to get the hood strapped down so it doesn't fly up.
All right, go ahead. I got it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, coming down.
Yeah, I can see it too. I can see it. We're good. We're on.
Good.
Okay, we got the car loaded, we got the van loaded.
Yeah.
But it's time to
accomplish lunch.
Let's go.
Look below for
Hey,
above for t-shirts.
We need the new Accomplished Lunch t-shirts. Have
do.
you seen them?
They're
They got the little
badass.
hamburger.
Look at that! It's so cool! I'm a nerd. I love science or space stuff. Where are we? We're at Space Center Houston.
Yeah, you go up in there
With
and
the
see the
Fastback.
cockpit and everything.
With a fast
Yeah, you go
back
in the
back
plane
there.
and
Look
the-
at that.
and the space shuttle.
Yeah.
The cargo area is gone,
Yeah.
but you can still get up and look in the cockpit and stuff.
That's so cool.
It's usually pretty busy, but you know when.
Space.
So if you want to come,
We're gonna get
this is the thumbnail. Oh my God!
We told you this was fast.
Holy shnikes!
Is that what we're gonna do? We're gonna jump out.
Pull up a little more. Pull up a
All
little.
right, we're gonna get the thumbnail.
You can see everything that 747's carried right there, and then everything D-White's carried, minus a fastback.
Yeah, we'll add a new sticker when we get home.
Dude, this is so.
The sun is set, But we got it home. We got it to HQ. Now we're gonna unload it.
All right, a little more, a little more, a little more. Keep coming.
The wheel is turned a little bit, Jake. Turn it.
Yeah.
A little bit that way.
All right, let it go.
All right.
And clutch. All right, hold on. You gotta get over on this one. Go. This one. Go. Let's do it. Perfect. Okay. Good.
That's pretty good.
Clutch it.
Put it in gear.
It's in gear. Okay.
Oh, there's no brake.
There's
Wait. Wait.
not in gear.
It's not in gear, dude.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, do I need to get wheel chalk?
Yeah, grab a wheel chalk.
There you go. Chalk boss.
All right, close enough. Okay. We touched the.
All right, got it in its spot. 12 hours later. All right, so Martin is putting on the Beetle from the pull we did in the bus, the yellow Beetle, the red bus, and the new Fastback. There it is.
Here we are, boys. 68 Fastback is here back at TJK VWLIFE HQ, and we have the official what this thing needs list.
Oh God, and it's blank and ready to be filled up.
It is going to be filled up. The very first thing you notice, it's not 68 Fastback, name TBD. So that's where we want you guys to help us. We got to come up with a name for the 68 Fastback. Something clever.
So find something. Let us know in the comments below.
But we're excited. It's here. It's been a great day. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's a blank sheet, and that's where we're starting with this. And it's going to be, you're going to see it the next time you see this, we're just going to be filled. But we're excited, and we're really more excited for you guys to join us as we do this 68 Fastback build, and hopefully we get some partners involved. That's the plan.
Well, we certainly want to have all that wiring that's hanging out in there. I don't know if you've seen it, but it is all over the place. That's going to have to go back together, cleaned up. We're gonna have to do some welding on some pans. That's Gary and Martin's department.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this motor home and I'm gonna rebuild it just because it's new, but we want to make sure it's right. Well, you can see it.
See it.
This fog light's super rad. It's gonna look so good on there. I can't wait to do it.
We've got to do some dialing in on the front end. We know that for sure. We're going to lower it on the front end. We have new wheels and tires coming for it, so we're really, really excited about that. So the 2 liters are going to go away. We're going to go with gas burners on that. So we got to put some trim on it, and it's going to need we've got to get some blue. We're going to go get our guys to get some blue to match this little blue metallic here. It just needs some cleaning. The headliner's going to need some stuff. The back deck here is going to get, that. We'll probably put a new carpet kit in. We're looking at the door cards and see what it looks like on that. Like Tommy said, it's going to need a little battery tray work. We got a little bit of a couple other little damage areas.
We got to redo all the brakes in the rear. There's nothing in those. Those drums are gutted, but it does have new disc up front and a new master cylinder. Where do you think we're at? We're 60% of the way, but the last 40 is going to be a lot of work.
But the good thing I think is it's complete relatively. We think.
Ish.
Ish. You don't know anything until we really start diving into this thing, get it up on the stands, and start looking and see what's going on. We're definitely, one of the other things, we're going to try to work some magic, get some life back in this paint. To me, the coolest thing about it is it's something totally different. This is a new ball game to this Type 3 stuff. So I'm kind of excited about that, just learning some new things, and it's been a really fun day.
Oh yeah.
You guys miss all the fun. You see some of it, but you miss a lot of the fun. We were just it's been a great day. Us rolling 12 hours in
12 hours. 12 hours in a 6-hour trip.
12 hours. That's the typical.
Gary starts to drift every now and then.
They were making fun of me at the end, but I was getting. I can't see it dark.
There's some secret car finds.
Yes,
we get filmed.
We have more.
But
yes,
that may come in a couple.
Hopefully,
if the old man wants to let go of it.
Yep, that's exciting there. So there's some history there that we may. This one lead leads to another, so that's exciting. But man, it's been a fun day. We're excited about the Type 3. Come up with a good name for it. Something clean and clever. But it's been a fun day, guys. I really appreciate you guys joining us today and seeing all the fun that we have. This is what it's all about.
It's always fun going across the state of Texas, hunting and finding Volkswagens and rescuing like we did once again. Get another one on the van over there.
Yeah, you saw we've added a couple more stickers. But anyway, we just want to say thank you guys so much for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. This is what it's all about. Go out there and find a Volkswagen. They are still out there, even blue fastbacks. Until next time, thank you guys.